Hello, young buff cocks, can't really see them, that'll be gone. That'll, come on, so that'll be gone. That and stain, that'll probably be gone. That and stain, that's a 4-pointer if you have two black eyes. Right, tightened up to the wings went under there. And two same equally marked wings. And that one will be gone, probably. These somewhere there. These heads haven't filled out yet, they've still got loads of pin feathers in. That'll be gone. There's another yarn. That's it. Still, its head isn't filled out. That'll be gone. That one's gone. That's a young buff cock. This will be stain, I think. That was stain. A couple of young buff cocks there. That's it. That one's head hasn't come yet. Still full of pin feathers. That'll be gone. Another one. Still got loads of pin feathers in its head. That'll be gone. Some yellow cocks.